Here's the situation. That is broken. The other one seemed to be okay. So I purchased a number of different wheels and we're gonna try them and see if they work. We'll probably start off with this one first. And then we've got these here, so we gotta open them. We'll do that next. All right, here we go. All right, so anyway, let's take a look at these first. Should be easy enough to get them out of the package. The thing with these, they have a, I don't know if it's the same kind of connector. It's got this thing here. So I'm thinking I can maybe take these off and just shove this thing up in there to find out. They come in 4-pack. I only really need one. But let's go ahead and get them out of here. We'll look at them. It comes with, you know, here's 2 more. And then it does come with this, so you can like tighten the wheels. Like right here, you see? See that? All right, so we'll try these first. We only need one, and we'll see how we do. All right, the question is, can I just pop it out? You know, I'm gonna see if I can do that. See if it just comes out. I may have to pull all this shit out of here so I can flip it over on its side. That's what we're gonna do. I'm just pulling all the drawers out. I'm just not gonna like make you guys watch me do it because, you know, stupid. Okay, got them all out. Set all the drawers over there. Now I can just flip this on its side like this. And I think we can pop this out of here. Let's see. There we go. Bam, got it. All right, so it definitely is like a screw thing. So I'm gonna have to unscrew it, I think. Wow, that is totally different than I thought. I'm wondering if I can just replace the interior of this with another, let's see. Let's take a look at these and see what, I don't know, man. So here, let's see if I can pull this out. And I'm wondering if I could pull one of these apart and put it through there. You know what I mean? Like pull these apart. Yeah, it doesn't look like I can do that. So that's not gonna work with this one. Now I do have these, right? So let's take a look at these and see what we got. I'm hoping maybe I can do it with this. I don't know, we'll find out. Let's go ahead and open it up if I can get this apart. Yeah, of course, and then it's wrapped up in more plastic. Oh, this might work, look at it. It's got this on it. Oh, check it out. Now that might work, right? I might be able just to shove that up in there. I mean, do you think I could get it in there? I don't know. But if I just push it up in there, maybe that will work. Let's give it a try. This looks like it could be good. All right, let's see what happens. Here's our hole, and I could just like shove it in there like that, right? But that ain't gonna work, is it? That is not gonna work. Now, yeah, look at that. If I could take that off of there and put it on this one, then it would be good. But I don't know if I can do that. You know what I mean? I'd have to pull this off and then set it over this. And you can see the diameter is different. It's 2 different sizes. I wonder if I can pull that apart. Let's set that there. And the question is, could I pop these wheels off of here? I mean, are these wheels the same way? Let's look. I mean, they look like they're the same, right? You follow me, like this? And if I could get these 2 off of there and then smush them on here, that might work. We're gonna go into the inner sanctum of my workshop and see if we can do that. All right, anyway, that's the washing machine. I'm gonna try to pull these wheels off and stick them on here. To do that, I'm probably gonna need a flathead screwdriver, something like this. And what I wanna do, something on the end of it, is get in here like this and just kind of pry it off. See if I can do that. If I can do that, then I can just use these wheels on this one here. And then I wouldn't have to, you know. Yeah, it looks like I can do it. So I'm just sticking it in there and prying it. get them off. You can see, yeah, like that. Getting it, I'm almost there. Look at that, I did it. So now I can just pull this out of there, like that, right? Okay, now all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna insert it in that hole, like that, and then I'm gonna take this one, smush it back on there. Ta-da! Look, yeah. Hey, I figured it out. All right, let's go put this on the cart. We'll be all set. Here's that new one that I got, but now I can just shove this one back in. That worked great. Yeah. You know, this bad boy's got new wheels on it, and all I gotta do is shove it in the hole, right? Right in here, just like that. Just smush it in there. I might have to turn it upside down to do that, because I want to put some force on it. All right, so I gotta flip it over, and that way I can put some pressure down on it and get it in there. Where's it? Oh, here it is. This is the new one. You can see the other ones are all worn. They'll probably go too. I just gotta push it in there. Damn it. Doesn't want to go. Gotta get some leverage on it. Oh, there we go. All right, I got it. That's it. And these ones are all pretty good. I mean, this one I can feel like it's going, you know what I mean? So that worked for this. And you can see that these are gonna go too. You see how it's rolling? So I'm gonna bring the screwdriver in here. I'm gonna pop these off, and then I'm gonna take these four and pop them. And then we're gonna put them all on here without taking those off. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so we got the one wheel done. I'm gonna do the rest of them. And we're gonna go ahead, get in there, pry it off. So I'm just prying it off. I gotta get in there and kind of push it, twist it, and it pops off. And I just gotta get one side off, right? So as long as I get one side off, I can go ahead and use it. See that? See how it's coming? Just like that, almost done. Bam. So now I got this one, right? So now we got one that we can, use. Let's put that one there. And this, of course, we're not going to use. Let's do another one. Get in there. Pop it off. See, I'm twisting it like this. Follow me? And I got to get it right on that little spot to get it off. Just like that. It's coming. One more. Almost there. Almost there. It's not as easy as it looks. There we go. All right. You just want to make sure you don't injure it too bad. And then you got to pull this side off. So then I'm just going to put it right back on when I do it. So that's two of them, right? Set that over there. We got one more to do. All right, here we go. And I think the ones on the cart should just come off much easier. So what I'm doing is I'm getting right in here, with the screwdriver and kind of popping it. And I have to get under that spot, right? I got to get right under it where it's kind of hooks on, but I don't want to screw it up. I don't want to get it too smushed. So I got to kind of pry it slow. There we go. Yeah, we're almost there. One more. We can get it. Oh, God. Come on. Oh, there we go. All right, so when I'm doing it, I'm getting on this little collar here. You can see I kind of damaged it a little bit to pry it off. So you got to get it in there and twist it, and it'll pop right off. So now we've got all of our wheels, right? And we're going to take the screwdriver in there. We're going to do the same thing in there and just put them together. So here we are. We got 1, 2, 3 to fix. I've got my wheels over here, and I think I can just pop these off. See how bad they are? So we just do it like that, right? Here, let me get over here a little bit. Here we go. So here I am. And these you can see are really dirty. So I just got to pull this off. They got hair all over them. I think this will come right off if I just pop it. I don't want to break it, so I got to be careful. Come on, out of there. Ah, there we go. So you can see what a mess that is. And so that one's nice and ready to go. And so we're just going to grab one of our doohickeys right here, and I just got to get it in the hole, right? Just right there, you see, push it through. And then I got to smush this one on the other side. I just squeeze them, just like that. Let me get it on there good. There, that one's ready to go. All right, let's slide over to the next one. Now this one's not too loose, but I think it should just pop off. Here, look, see? Take this side off. And this one's coming out of there easier. You follow me? Look, mess. Clean it up a little bit. Stick it over here. All right, let's grab another wheel, right? And we're just gonna go right in there. Put it right through there. And then I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna smush it on there, right? So it pops. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Look at that. Last but not least, here we go. This one's really bendy. This one should just come right off, watch. This one's really smushed. Yeah, look, that just fell off. That just came right off of there. Yeah, that's that. Throw that down. All right, now we just got to get our last one right here, right? Gonna put it through, just like that. Here we go. Let me show you again. Let me get a really close shot of it so you guys can see. All right, so there you are, right? So I'm going in that hole, just like that. I come around, see how it's got a notch on it? I put this one on, right? And I squeeze it. Yeah, done. Bob's your uncle. We're done. We did it. We got her all. Now we just gotta flip it over and check our rollage. I think we're gonna be good. Yeah, look, we're doing good. All right, we fixed it. How do you like those apples? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I fix stuff like that. And I just figure it out and make, like, you know, innovations. I innovated on this one. Yeah, now we just got to throw all these away. Realized I needed to squish them on more. So I got these channel locks. I think I can squish them better now. Got to get it right in the middle because it popped off. I'm hoping that works. Oh, shit. It should work, man. I don't get it. Why it didn't. Maybe I just didn't have them on there all the way. I think that might have done it. Yeah, you're gonna need to squish them because they popped off. You know what I mean? Let me see what happens when I roll it. Just want to make sure that I did it. Yeah, okay, so you're gonna have to do that. Get some channel locks and squish them on there because they will pop off. Cross your fingers, it stays like that. Oh shit. I hope it doesn't come undone. They're old, part of it's the old wheel because the thing that goes inside of it wasn't on the other two. So I had to take them apart and then squish those wheels on. The centers are the same diameter. So I used the axle and the new wheels from the other ones on all four of them.
Because the whole new wheels wouldn't fit in here?
Right, they won't fit.
The new ones that I bought?
None of them fit. None of them would fit. But I cannibalized it. I used my, what I call ingenuity. I adapted, I overcame. And I figured out what to do. And it worked. Can you believe it?
So these are the old wheels?
Nope. Those are new wheels. This part's new, this part's new, and the thing that goes through them is new. This part here and the connector is the same.
Oh, interesting.
Which was still good.
Okay. These
Now, when I first put it on there, they fell off. I had to go get the thing and squeeze them on tighter.
Right.
Because they have a
will
little
they
thing.
stay is the thing.
Did I get them in there right? I didn't get it
Almost.
right, did I?
Yeah.
All right, well, you can redo it. Oh, look at that. You didn't quite get it in the
They don't
thing.
stay well.
I think it's because it's stretched out. But that just say, how much does the cart cost?
It's like 139 or something.
And how much you pay for those wheels?
I don't know, 20? Can't remember.
20?
Yeah.
No way.
What do you mean?
They
Not
could-
that much?
They couldn't have been $20. I'm going to look at it
Yeah,
and
go
find
look.
out.
I don't remember. I bought 2 different kinds.
Well, no, you bought 12 wheels. I only used 4.
I thought I bought 2 different kinds.
You bought 12 wheels.
Of one kind,
You bought 8 of one and 4 of that kind there.
then I accidentally hit 2 of one.
Yeah,
Because there were
so
only groups
you can
of 4.
send those other ones back.
Yeah, okay. So I accidentally hit,
Check out those
Yeah.
legs, damn.
huh.